Hey, the seller sent me this cordless vacuum for free, so I'm gonna check it out, set it up, and give you my thoughts. This vacuum is very versatile. There's a lot of different options that you can use it in. You can use it handheld right here, and then if you wanna use the actual bristle on the vacuum, you simply connect this right in. And there's also an adjustment here on the back to allow you to change the height of the vacuum. So no matter how tall you are, you can comfortably use this vacuum. This comes with a battery that attaches to the back. Slide your battery in and you're ready to go. To turn this on, there's a trigger. So on the back here, there's a nice LED display that shows you your battery life and how strong your vacuum is running. This fires right up. You just press your trigger. On the back, you can adjust the strength of the suction, but this will also self-adjust depending on what type of floor you're on. This is good for both carpet and hardwood. It's got a nice brush here that turns on. This works great for carpet to help get up hair or dust, whatever you got on that carpet. I really like how maneuverable this is. I'm not putting a lot of effort in. This turns very well. I can get into tight corners. You got a clear compartment for your dirt and your dust. I like that I can see that, see how full this compartment's getting. That way I can easily empty it. This is really simple to empty. You got a button right here. There's no bags required. You just simply open your compartment and dump out your dust. This also comes with 3 nice attachments. You got a nice crevice tool here. This way you can get tough to reach areas. You got another adjustable nozzle here. You can pop down your bristles if you want to vacuum up fabric or do some dusting. If you're vacuuming a wider area, you got this attachment. This is nice for wider surfaces. This attachment here would work great for stairs. I really love how this is cordless. I can go anywhere in my house. I don't have to worry about plugging in a cord, tripping over the cord, or the cord becoming unplugged. I can just go anywhere in my house and use this vacuum. Your brush on the bottom of your vacuum is extremely easy to clean. Pops right out. That way if you get hair tangled up or debris, you can easily clean it out. There's also a nice little brush and cleaning tool, and when you're done, it just pops in. It's very intuitive, very easy to do. This is very versatile as well, depending on what reach you want. You can use your extension tube here or connect any of the attachments right to the vacuum. I really like this bright LED light on the front here. It really makes cleaning easy. It helps you see dirt and debris, or if you're vacuuming in a dark area. To take the canister off here, there's 2 buttons on the sides. Press them in, this comes right off. You have a filter here. Everything comes out nice and easy, makes it easy to clean. This also has a backup filter, so if you rinse this out and you're letting it dry, you have another one ready to use. The charger here comes with a very convenient wall mount. You can attach this to the wall, store your vacuum, and this will also store your attachments. I like how these clip in, that way you can keep these organized and you know where they are. To charge it, you're gonna need this mount. On the bottom here, you got a little hole here, and there's a pin on the bottom of your mount here. That's what's gonna charge it. So you slide it right in and you'll let it charge up. I love how this will get nice and low. I can get underneath things like my bed. I love how I can just grab this vacuum and go. Also, the handle here and the trigger, this is very comfortable, easy to use. Overall, I really like this vacuum. I think it's a great option to vacuum on the go if you have a quick spot you want to clean, or if you're doing thorough house cleaning and you need a vacuum that's going to last a while with good battery life.